pot. No, this is not a pot. This is a pan. This is hot pot. And it's supposed to be hot pan. Huh? Hello guys, it's Anna. Today I will make Jasuke. Jagung, susu, keju, or in English, corn, milk, and cheese. Let's get started. These are the ingredients. Milk. Butter. What's this? Condensed milk. I like it. Corn and cheese. First step, we need to boil the corn in milk. The corn first. Ooh, I thought I like corn. I like milk.
Everything on the table.
Ma, I still like the milk.
Nanti mama tambahin lagi. Itu buat masak dulu dong.
The pan is full. The pan is full.
Ini nyalain.
I will stir it. Ma, I want the pink one.
The pink one cannot stand the heat.
We will boil the corn until it is nice and sweet and crunchy. That smells good. Yay, it's done! It's time to get the other ingredients in. Yeah. There we go. Oh, there's a... Yeah, there we go. Cheese golden. I think just half of it. I will turn the heat back on. I will start again. Carefully. Yeah, with Jasuke is almost done. Mama, the cheese is all gone. Yay! Ako yung pani. Yeah, with Jasuke is ready. I will pull it to the plate with the spoon. Jasuke. Okay, I'm going 5 pinches. Okay, two. These are already 4. And last one, 5. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Lots of cheese. I love cheese. I will taste my Jasuke. First. Okay.
Is it still hot?
Yeah.
It's already warm. Already warm. Okay. Masih panas? Hah? Masih panas?
Alright guys, this is our Jasuke. It tastes really good. See you on the next video. Bye bye.